Welcome to the video where we will explore the best methods to learn English effectively and enjoyably. Learning a new language can be a thrilling adventure, and I'm excited to share some tips that have worked for me and many others as well. Many people struggle with speaking English fluently due to lack of practice, resources, or confidence. I was once in the same boat, feeling anxious about speaking English because I wasn't sure if I was pronouncing words correctly or if my grammar was on point. But over time, I realized that the key to overcoming these challenges is consistent practice. You will see, the more you practice, the more comfortable you will become with the language. Another major obstacle is the fear of making mistakes. I totally get it. It can be intimidating to speak a new language, especially if you are worried about being judged or corrected. But here's the thing. Mistakes are an essential part of the learning process. When you make mistakes, you learn from them and you become better and better. Lastly, lack of resources can also hinder your progress. You might not have access to quality language courses or tutors, but that's okay. There are plenty of free resources available online that can help you learn English. You just need to know where to look. We'll discuss various techniques like immersive learning, using language apps, and practicing with native speakers to enhance your skills. Immersive learning is all about surrounding yourself with the language, whether it's through watching English movies, listening to English music, or reading English books. This method helps you pick up the language naturally without even realizing it. Language apps are also super helpful. There are tons of apps out there that offer interactive lessons, quizzes, and exercises to help you learn English. Some popular ones include Duolingo, Babbel, and Rosetta Stone. These apps are great because you can use them anywhere, anytime, and they are often free or low cost. Practicing with native speakers is another excellent way to improve your skills. You can find language exchange partners online or join conversation groups in your local community. This will give you the chance to practice speaking and listening in a real life setting. The key insight is that consistency and real life practice can dramatically improve your speaking abilities faster than traditional methods. It's not just about memorizing grammar rules or vocabulary lists. It's about using the language in context. When you practice consistently, you will start to notice improvements in your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary as well. Consistency is key, but it's also important to be patient with yourself. Learning a language takes time, and it's normal to make mistakes along the way. Don't get discouraged if you don't see progress right away. Just keep practicing and you'll get there. Real life practice is also crucial. Try to use English in your daily life as much as possible. Speak with friends, watch English TV shows, and listen to English podcasts. The more you use the language, the more comfortable you will become with it. In fact, I've seen many people improve their English skills dramatically just by using a combination of these techniques. It's not rocket science, it's just about being consistent and making language learning a part of your daily routine. In summary, using a combination of immersive experiences and technology can set you on the path to learn English fluency. By incorporating these methods into your daily routine, you will be well on your way to becoming a confident English speaker. If you found this helpful, check out my other videos on language learning and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks much more.